Paula, Remy,
Return demonstration.
Wilkins, Balangkig. Oh. So,
CI ni siya.
These are the gonna intro.
hello. So this is how.
Courtesy
First,
of
let's thank Mr. Antonov for his contribution once again. So Paula will show us how to
Return demo
drink.
sa kuan
This is a return demonstration of how to drink
with no hands.
no hand.
with no hands.
Unsa na siya sa
Inspired by the
Materials,
materials? Rationale.
shot
French fries.
shot glass,
Overcooked French fries.
picture. Mr. Antonov, say hi. Okay, let's start first.
Procedure 1.
Procedure 1, bow your head. Bow your head.
Do medical
Bite the
hand
glass, sip. And sip. Tilt the glass a bit, 10 degrees. And then bite the glass and drink.
Yay! Woo! That one.
Flat 1 for that demonstration.
Best student.